In this video, I want to show you how to register on the site and use the features that's available once you're logged in. So when you first go into the site, you'll notice a button here, login/register. I'll use that to register on the site. I have to enter my email address. That's how we can actually confirm that you are you and you are who you claim to be. So I enter my email address, my name, and the password I want to use, and click send. I get a message that I'm successfully registered. I have been sent an email. I need to confirm by clicking the link in this email. So it will be just a few seconds and the email is here. I go in here and click the link that comes up here. This one says I'm successfully verified. I'm now a privileged user, and this message will go away very quickly. So right now I'm logged in and can start using the database as a registered user. So I'll find the dog here, and you will notice that these buttons up here changed. If I'm the owner or breeder of this dog, I can correct or append to his pedigree. So by clicking the button, I get this button here, and I can correct the information here. No source given, for instance, and use the data here to actually improve the database. I click send here, I get a thank you, and we'll fix it eventually. By the way, you're not actually entering data into the database. It's sent to our admin team for verification and correctness. Next, I want to show you how to add media files to this posting. So I'll go into the dog which I want to add the media file, click add media files, and then I can just drop files here to upload, or click in this window, select the file, and choose it. There we go. And once that's done, I can close this window, and it will be posted to our admin team for verification and then added to the page. I want to show you how to add dogs to the database. We really appreciate any entries that aren't in the database and any help in adding those that are missing. So please use the add litter function, whether it's just adding one dog that's missing or a whole litter that you bred. So we start off with adding the sire of a litter, and for this demo I'll just add a Swedish litter that was born in January. So we'll start off with a sire, which is Glornogael Irvine. I can type parts of the name like I could when I started searching in the database, and it will show up like this. And then the dam, which is Glornogael Jaffa. Date of birth, like this, and it's Swedish. The breeder is Susanne Lindqvist, so I'll normally just use the last name here, and you'll see she's already in the database. So next I have to give the litter size, which is 6 litters here. That's actually the number of dogs I'm going to input. So if you just want to append to an existing litter here, just enter the number of dogs you want to enter into the database. So choose 6 and click input litter. Next I'll just put in the name, which dog, it's a male, the color is black, and then I have the registration number. If you don't have all the information, don't worry, you can always append it later, and we'll be pleased to have your data, whatever data you actually have here. And then we have, oops, you can see it's a bit of work. This should be really easy once you get the hang of it. Please be as accurate as you can, because it's really important for us that these data are complete. So by doing this, we'll end up really soon with having all those dogs in the database. It's just a bit of copy and paste in this instance to actually get them in. So I won't bother with the rest. Just click send here, and that litter is now submitted, and will be considered by our administration team to be added into the database. Last function you got here for communicating with us is report a problem. Please use this if there's something that didn't work as expected, if there's a bug, or if you have a problem using database, or if you just have some general feedback. Just use that to actually give us the info you need. So I might want to report a usability problem or a bug. This adding a litter didn't work quite as expected. There was a problem using the slider. Please enter your email address as well, because that will help us actually contact you if we need further explanations here. So again, we're very thankful for any feedback you have, and we'll act on it. We can't really give responses to all feedback, but we'll contact you if we need any further information. In addition to actually being able to correct info in the database, the main advantage to registering is that you're able to share information between your different units. Say you actually favorite a dog on your computer. If you are registered and logged in, you will be able to see that dog also in your favorites pane on your telephone or your tablet, or maybe in another browser. You'll also be able to share the history of browsing between your different devices. So it's really great to be registered. It's free and you can always do it. Free and open for all.